In another petty move, the U.S. government has decided to threaten Haitian Americans and Haitians living and working legally in the U.S. by saying that it's going to restrict its funds in which it can send back to their family in Haiti to support and supplement their income. And this is like another level of crazy and like literally no reason for this. But what I think that nobody's talking about is what this is actually about is the US government finally coming to realize how superior Haitian compa is compared to country music. Like, you've got their guys and their girls and their beers and their trucks and their dogs on a Friday night frolicking through the Midwestern fields versus like it just there's no match. And also like comparing lasagna to Dieu and cremas to eggnog. Like Dieu cremas over eggnog any day. Like they're jealous. That's what this is about, and not enough people are talking about that.